Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday and it is December 16th. Today we have 2 Zoom calls. Our morning meeting 9:05 to 9:30, and we'll be taking care of our math lesson. And then you'll come back for one more small group meeting. We're writing today. Listen to another gingerbread story. If you haven't finished listening to those, read or listen to one more story today. You are invited to wear pajamas today during Zoom calls. And we'll be listening to the Polar Express later on. And then we'll also be talking about a social studies topic, needs versus wants. For math today, tomorrow, and Friday, you're going to see the same assignment there, Math Module 2 test. So I've given you 3 days to do that instead of the daily exit tickets. Please complete that math test. And I will set it up so that if you can't finish it all at once, you can go back in and do the other part later. So you could break it up into 2 or 3 parts if you want to. All right, you have the Gingerbread Man Trap Challenge. Hopefully you've been working on some kind of a device to catch the gingerbread man. You have a boom game for nouns, common versus proper nouns, 2 different types. And then our morning work packet page. So take a look at that. So your first job here is to write a math sentence. Look at the dots on each side of the domino and then add them up. So I did the next part for you because we haven't ever talked about these symbols here. These little arrowheads going left or right mean greater than or less than or equal to. So your job is to look at each pair of numbers, 35 and 53, for example, and decide which one is greater. So if you were a hungry alligator, which one would you eat? You would eat the greater one. So the alligator mouth is going to face that way. The alligator is just for fun. That's to help you remember. The symbol goes that direction. So it goes towards the bigger number. So 53 is greater than 35. The alligator mouth faces that way. 42 is greater than 24. 30 and 30, those are the same number, so those are equal to each other, equivalent. 12 is less than 21, so the alligator mouth faces the bigger number, which is 21, of course. And 50 and 57. Same number of tens. They both have 5 tens, but 57 also has 7 ones. So 57 is greater than 50. All right, scrolling down. List 5 nouns in your class. You can list 5 nouns for things at your home. Persons, places, or things. Remember, those are all nouns, so list 5 nouns. And what is your favorite time of the day? Recess, lunch, or specials? That's not a word we usually use, but this refers to different types of things that we might do at school, like music or an assembly or a field trip. Okay, so pick your favorite time of the day. All right, the secret password today is Bell. See you at 9:05.